EMS creates technologies to enhance simulation effectiveness, competency measurement, improve patient safety, and create scale for the healthcare ecosystem. At Education Management Solutions, we merge essential information across environments, helping organizations align performance and capabilities between education, training, and active provider care. EMS solutions create dynamic, user-friendly solutions for administrators and educators to connect and analyze performance data from organizations and curriculum, devices, environments, and training instruments. Collecting, organizing, tracking, and monitoring competencies and skills proficiency anywhere, at any time. Our open architecture removes silos across OEM hardware, simulation training tools, video conferencing and recording, distance and learning management systems, and external data sources for reporting. Fusing performance evaluations and measurements across hands-on education, classroom instruction, and immersive reality environments, we enable acceleration to the next generation of healthcare providers. EMS, providing adaptive technologies elevating the discipline of healthcare anytime, anywhere.